How to delete your Yahoo account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Yahoo account. So the first thing you want to do is go to any web browser on your device, and now in the web address bar type in yahoo.com. Now once you're on the home page of Yahoo, you'll have to log into your account, and once you've logged in, click on your profile icon on the top side of the screen and then tap on Add on Manage Accounts. Now it'll take you to this page where you'll have to click on the option Account Info. Now once you've done that, go to Help on the left side of the screen. Now it'll redirect you to this page where you'll have to scroll down, and there you'll see an option in left named Create or Delete Account. So simply click on it, and now click on the option Close or Reactivate your Yahoo account. Now you'll again be redirected to this page where if you scroll down, you'll see the option Close your Yahoo account. So in order to delete your account, all you have to do is click on this blue link right over here, which says sign into your Yahoo account termination page. Now once you click on that link, you'll have to first of all sign into your account. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where if you scroll down and then click on continue delete my account, and now you'll have to enter your email address once again. Now enter your email address, and once you click on yes terminate this account, your account will be successfully deactivated and will be scheduled for deletion. So that is basically how you delete your Yahoo account permanently. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.